Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are unboxing the new Beachside Broardwalk collection from Fancy Pants Designs. I am on their design team, so I am sent the products to play with and showcase in upcoming projects. This also included, when it was sent to me, Fancy Pants Design Coco and Reno, the ruffle die cut, as well as the cutting die cut for a mini book. So it just looks like the disc bound system right there. So we'll see if we incorporate this. If I make a mini album, that could work for putting it on disc. And if we need some ruffles, we will see how that works out as well in an upcoming project. This collection includes, like many of them, the enamel dot, and you can totally see the colorway there. We got a nice like apple green, yellow, a blushy pink, orange, and a tealy blue color. It has 2 ephemera packs, and usually one is more of the icons, ephemera 52 and ephemera 102. So this one has double. So yeah, here are the icons. Definitely beachy retro theme. Look at those like old school bathing suits. We got some roller skates, the Volkswagen van, an old style car, a bike. Poodle's really cute. There's some more roller skates, a bunch of popsicles, crabs, what is it, seahorse. Oh, look at that old fashioned shoe too. Oh, there's a bunch of roller skates. Oh, and there's another pair of shoes too. Very cute. Icons that can be used, of course, for telling summer stories. And then this one, usually, like always, is more of the journal bits and tags. You definitely have like some black and white. Can you see that really well? Let's see if I can open this one. The black and white photos. There's like 3 of them in here. So look, like old school look. So cute. That one's kind of dark. See? And where's the other one? Very cute. Kind of reminds me of like a Tim Holtz vibe with the old school kind of one. You know how they has his paper dolls. And then these are all definitely like little tags, admission tags, boardwalk, free rides, Atlantic City boardwalk. So these are definitely, in my, way I've style, these are layering pieces, okay? So we got the layering pack. Then for thickers, Adventure Awaits, Wild Ride, Fabulous, The Excitement, and then the icons are repeated. Good times, yay, favorite, past times, memories. Look at that ice cream sandwich. Stop it. I really like this collection. A little different, but still trying to stay in a summery, beachy way. So let's open this up so we can see the pattern papers. This one for Fancy Pants, as always, they like the unboxing video separate than my project video. So this is just the unboxing, and we're just going through everything that's available. So we got the sticker sheet. They're similar icons that from the ephemera pack. So the roller skates, the popsicles, the bathing suits, yeah. And then some of the tags are very much here. The roller skates again. Love these 3 ice cream cones, more popsicles, beach stuff, the lifeguard stand. Fun. And then remember, the pattern papers are 2 of each. So here are the roller skates and the beach umbrellas, a bold stripe, and a almost like a scrapbook layout, like a cut apart with those black and white photos. Really cute. Look, it says like carnival rides. This one is like a repeating. You see it's like coral and the seahorses. And then the back side has little photos as well, like a little bit of a cut apart. Very cool. Then we got the tags, cluster of tags. Oh, and then the black and white photos again. Love this one. Yeah, love this one. The ice cream and the popsicles. And then more of the cute. I feel like I'm already envisioning like an ice cream wreath. Like I'm going to cut all these out and we're going to set them up in a wreath and put ice cream photos in the center. That might be project number 1. Then we have the bathing suits. And then this side too with the cut aparts and all the old like kind of photos. I really do. That's really cute. That's really sweet. Very cute. This one's going to be hard to use, but maybe this one's doable. Let me just go through it too. So now that'll probably be first project. We'll be cutting out all of those. So those are already spoken for. And yeah, these are really cute too. Very cute. I feel like maybe it does call for maybe like a mini album. That way it could almost be like my photos on top of it, be scrapbooky on the scrapbooky vibe that it gives. Or like a junk journal kind of one too. And maybe this too can be cut up for something fun. Okay, so I definitely have ideas for one project for the first one, and then plenty of material to use for upcoming projects to tell summertime stories. I will leave this one linked down below for your shopping abilities. And until next time, everyone, bye!